In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add clickable link to your Facebook story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and on a Facebook app we can tap right here where it says create story, and we'll be able to add a link to that story, but unfortunately if we use this way the link won't be clickable. The only way to add a clickable link to your Facebook story is to use Instagram app to create a story and then share this story to Facebook. So guys, to do that, first off we need to open up Instagram app, then tap right here and create a story as you usually do. To add a link here, tap at stickers, select link sticker, enter your URL here. I'm just gonna enter youtube.com and hit add done. That's how we can easily add URL sticker to our story. Once it is done, tap at right here at this arrow, then tap at share, and then tap at done. Once the story is uploaded and shared, we'll be able to share it on Facebook by tapping, by tapping right here at Facebook. That's how we can easily share our stories from Instagram over to Facebook, and as you can see, the URL is definitely clickable. By the way, as you can see now, we are on a Facebook app. Later on, if you would like to delete a story on Instagram, you can head over back to the Instagram app, hit more, and then hit delete story, and then we can choose delete it from both sides, both means Facebook and Instagram, or delete the story from Instagram only. I'm gonna choose the second option. So that's how we can easily share our story with the clickable link just to Facebook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.